Easy cooking ideas. Cheap and simple. Easy to learn. Using simple ingredients. Simple quick recipes for beginner. Let's get cooking at home. Home Cooking Channel 2020.
Before you start watching, please click the like button. Then, click the subscribe button. Lastly, click the bell, click the first one, all. Don't worry, the subscribing is free. After subscribed, you can be the first to see the videos we posted. Will not cause you any losses. Please feel free to like, and to subscribe to this video and share it with your friends. Your small actions can give us great encouragement. We greatly appreciate your support. Hello everyone, welcome to our home cooking channel. Today let us show you the most easy way to cook tasty squid and prawn for beginner, episode 1. Come on, let us cook Hong Kong style sauteed squid prawn with soy sauce and ginger. Here are the ingredients. First, we prepared 2 fresh medium squids, 8 fresh shelled prawns, 4 garlic cloves, 1 Holland onion, a piece of ginger, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. That's all the ingredient. Is it simple? Let us continue to next. Before we cook, cut the squid into pieces, then, marinate the squid and prawn with about 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. And then pour 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix the squid and prawn with soy sauce evenly. Marinate for at least 1 hour. Crush the garlic and cut into fine pieces. Cut the ginger into pieces. Cut the ginger into fine strips. Then cut the Holland onion in small piece also. Okay, ready to cook. Heat up the wok to high temperature. Pour the cooking oil into the pot. The oil must be a little more than usual. It will be more fragrant when fried with soy sauce at high temperature. First, we put the ginger in, stir-fried until you smell the fragrance. Stir-fried about 2 minutes until yellowish, and you can smell the nice aroma. Don't overcook until the ginger burns, it will bring you bitter taste. It will spoil your dish. Alright, then put in the garlic and stir-fry it evenly. Okay, then put the squid and prawn in, continue stir-fry in high heat. Wow, it smells good and tasty. Then put the Holland onion in, because we don't want the onion overcooked. Lastly, we add 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance up the salty soy sauce in the dish. Alright, done. Okay, we take it out and put it in the plate. It's so wonderful. This is delicious, Hong Kong style fried squid shrimp with soy sauce you ever try before. It is really tasty with simple cooking method. Let's try it yourself tonight dinner. Bye bye.
Please subscribe and press the bell if you enjoy my video. More video is waiting for you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.